Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Pasadena stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Chain 2, 1, 2, and then make a single crochet into the same chain where you made your double crochet. Skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, you're going to make a half double crochet into that same chain. Make 2 chains, and then make a single crochet into the same chain as the half double and double you just made. So it's going to be half double, double, chain 2, and single all together in the same chain. And you're going to now start repeating this. You're going to skip 2 chains into this next one, make a half double crochet into that same chain, chain 2, and then single crochet all into that same chain. So you're now going to start repeating this from here. You're going to skip 2 chains, half double, double, chain 2, and single all into the next chain together. And you're going to repeat this until you reach the last chain of your row. When you reach the last chain of this row, make a single crochet into that chain to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. For row 2, we're going to be working into previous chain 2 spaces. So we're going to skip to our first one, and we're going to be making the same sequence as our last row. Into that chain 2 space, make a half double crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet all together into that chain 2 space. Now you're going to skip to the next one and do the same thing. Half double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet all into this chain 2 space. You're now going to repeat this step. You're going to move on to any previous chain 2 space and work a half double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet all together into that chain space until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left, and these chains are going to count as a stitch. So at the end of your row, you're going to work a single crochet into the tops of those chains to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Pasadena stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.